Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use our fabric covered button machine. So here is one of the machines that we supply. I have in front of it a 20.5mm fabric covered button die. So I'll show you the two parts. So this is your base die. Now this is going to hold the backing to your fabric covered button. And this is your top die. That holds the fabric and the cap. I'm using aluminium button blanks. We do these with an aluminium back or with a plastic back. Both styles will work as long as the sizing is correct. So there's your backing. And this is going to be your cap. So we'll start off by taking our base die and putting that into the bottom of the machine. I can take the backing and pop that into the base die. On my top die here, I'm going to take some fabric that I have. Make sure it's thick enough. If it is really thin, I've got some super thin fabric at the moment, so I'm going to double it up and put two in. If it's thick fabric, one piece will be fine. What you're looking for ideally is to have the fabric about the same diameter as your top die here. I can take my aluminium cap and then push that down like so. This then gets flipped upside down, put on top of your base die, and we just push down with the handle. And then you should be left with a fabric covered button.